Hi, good morning. Oh, it's quite a big box. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel again, Jackie Journey, Travel, Lifestyles and Fashion. So today is May 23 and I have just received a new package just delivered this morning, and here I have got my recent pickup haul. I will do the unboxing for the items. I have 3 items that I'm receiving today. Let's check it out. Oh, it's quite a big box today. So let's take a look what's inside. I'm excited. Very big box. This is like probably 5 kilos. Let's see. It has been May 2023, and next month is going to be Paris Fashion Week. Of course, if I'm going there, then I would definitely need to refresh my wardrobe. So to see what style I can bring it up at the Fashion Week in front of the show, and also to enjoy myself like in Paris. I'm not sponsored by any brand to go there. I'm just going to Paris purely on my own interest to see the style, the fashion, and the new Spring Summer 24. Spring Summer 2024. Wow, it's quite big. Let's see. I'll take a look closer. They actually have changed the package. LNCC. Normally the LNCC they would send in the box like the previous version in my video. They send it in the box. But this is also cool. It is made of paper shopper. Let's see what is this one. Probably my short from Mihara Yasuhiro. So that's the first item. I believe it is shorts. This looks like a shirt, but actually it is not a shirt. Like they make this one like a shirt, but it's actually a short. So this short is from Mihara Yasuhiro. For those you don't know, Mihara Yasuhiro, aka Maison Mihara Yasuhiro, is a Japanese designer. That's the detail of these shorts. One is the little patch MMY Maison Mihara Yasuhiro. Second patch is about the I'm not sure what 3 means, and it is not the size because this one is size 48, but 3 maybe is the logo of the brand, and they have the login ID patches on the left side of the shorts, asking for name and user ID and password. And I think maybe this one actually works. Shop online, maybe this one links to the Mihara Yasuhiro.jp website, as well to 2 sides of the sleeves, the left sleeves and the right sleeves. Also there is a little drawstring here with the metal or silver. And one thing I found it really poetic about some of the designer is that they really make it personal by putting some of the label with the quotes, such as this one. It says, "Trust yourself, wearing instructions. Wear your way of life, never forget to love, have fortitude, believe in your creativity, never bend your head, always hold it high." So I found it quite personal, and it's always good to remind yourself that you never bend your head to anyone, and always be proud of yourself. Believe in your creativity. I mean, sometimes it's nice to remind yourself, but it's also like a part of feeling proud in what you wear and in what you do. That's why I kind of like fashion in its creativity side. Now let's take a look on the back side of the shorts. So it's I really like the fabrics. I feel like it can be a great fit for the summer because it's not too thick, and I feel like this would be great, like when it's a very hot day because it's not so thick. Like, I'm not sure what it's made of, but I believe it's a cotton, 100% cotton, yes. On the back side, you have this detail of the fake, you know, like fake shirt. I'm just basically trying to understand the shorts, how I can wear this shorts, because sometimes it takes a while to understand the garment, how you can wear it and adjust it to your style. I have been in love with the brand since Fall Winter 2017 collection. I love how they design like the patches with a little bit of punk, and also sometimes they are doing like unconventional stuff, but they also make what's practical, like to mix with the different patterns. Sometimes they have a really big like the measurement tapes on the hoodie, or like this one I really like it because like they make the element of the shirt but it's actually on the shorts. Let's try it out so that you can see. So here it is, short from Mihara Yasuhiro. What do you all think? Like, I mean, I still have to, you know, I kind of like it, like mixed with my gray green sweater. On the back side it looks really cool, but one part of it, what I feel right now is that it's kind of, I still have to figure out how I should wear this shorts, because it's first of all, I like it that it is a little bit oversized, wide legs shorts, and second part is that like I can actually mix the style. This part is from the shorts itself, and I can actually blend it with my overall outfit. Like this one, it looks like someone who tucked in the shirt, you know, on the back. It looks like this is a tucked-in shirt into the shorts, and it blends with the whole outfit. So, and I also like that they have the detail of the patches here. If you see, it's also a little bit small, but it's, you know, a little gimmick on the shorts. I think this is actually the real button, so you can open it up. Very cool. But yeah, I still have to see like how I can play around with these shorts. But this is how it's supposed to look in general. Or I don't want to, you know, I would like to tuck in the tops because I can then show the detail of the shorts. But if I put the tops or the sweater over the shorts, then it will become like more relaxed. I think it's a bit more relaxed, but still cool at the same time. So let's see how I can pull this style out. Let's move on to the next item because we still have 2 or 3 more. Yeah, so we have one here, one more. It's a jacket. Let's move on to the next one. So I really like this, like they make it, you know, become like bag, paper bag with its own logo. This would be really cool. This reminds me a little bit of the, you know, the Jill Sandals tote bag in its minimal style. The crack green jacket, also like this one is crack green. So I'm, you know, in a way, crack green is one of my favorite designers as well, because I like how they give you a signature but without telling you it's a brand. Wow, look at this. This is very special fabrics. It feels like a paper to me. It really does feel like a paper. It's a little bit wrinkled. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be like that, but wow, it is cool. It feels like it's a cotton, definitely cotton, but okay, this part is I thought it was the plastic when I saw it in the one-way photos, but this one is actually a rubber, and this is a metal. But the rest of the fabric, it feels almost like a paper. Also like the cool effect on the back. I like it that they have the really cool, like, you know, this it's not a string, these lines all over the back and the side of the sleeves make it really cool. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. Let's try it. I feel like, wow, this is like so cool. It's actually almost 30%. It is 60% cotton, I believe. if I'm not wrong, 60% cotton and like 27% made of paper. So that's why it feels like paper, as I said it from the beginning. I like that it looks a bit like armory, you know, like it looks really tough. It looks like armory to me. I think I'm missing some kind of shorts to be paired with this jacket, but I really like this detail on the back. It's really special, and I cannot imagine like wearing this in Paris already. This one feels so soft. I thought it was a plastic like I mentioned before, but it's actually a rubber, and it feels nice. It feels so smooth. I love it. I love the feeling of this, like. But one thing is that, you know, this one I like, you know, I like oversized stuff, and I choose to buy this one in size L, which I like it because I can't imagine wearing this in size S. Would be too tight for me. The cons is that it's a bit hard to move my arms around, and I feel like I'm going to break this part, you know, like the shoulder part around my armpits, because it's still a bit tight to me, like. But overall I really like it so much. Like, it is so cool jacket. My beautiful people, I can't believe this. Like, I'm literally in love with this outfit. I feel like, you know, wearing the previous version, like wearing the sweater, maybe it's actually a bit too much, because this one now I feel that it's more easily to move around, especially on around my chest and also like my arms. And as well, I feel like when I'm wearing with the total, you know, in kind of brighter color outfit, because previously I had the black shorts on it. It's not the black, it was like navy blue, dark navy. But now I feel like this one is like, you know, brightening up more of the whole outfit. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is unusual. This is like, I don't know, but I feel in love. This is like so me, right? To obtain the aspect of the garment, this fabric has undergone a specialized process. Irregularities are natural characteristics of these fabrics and should not be considered as imperfections due to the delicate nature of these fabrics. Care must be taken when worn. Please avoid contact with perfume and all base products. Do not wash, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, do not iron, do not dry clean, and spot clean only. So this is a very special jacket. I mean, of course, like I don't really watch, you know, some of the clothes that much, like especially like the sweater that has to be like delicately taken care of. But this one, yeah. So you see that the crease and the wrinkly effect, I believe that this is part of the natural design, and it's not something as imperfections, because you can also see, you know, like the little brown spots on the jacket, which is a natural thing for this jacket. 67% cotton and 27% paper. So, but how I feel is like, you know, maybe more of paper and then less cotton on the other hand. Inside, behind the rubber buttons, there is a metal button hidden on the inside, so that you can put it, like just press on in the middle part of the rubber, and then click, you will attach the buttons together. And for the neck part, there are two smaller buttons here. Yeah, 1, 2. I love this jacket so much. It's just so special. Like I really love this. Like I can't wait to walk around in Paris in this jacket in June. Alright, and I actually have one more item to take out, which is this one. You can tell from the package, right? It's a box. So probably it is a shoe. But what kind of shoe is going to be, then we have to find out. So this is a Suicoke. I kind of obsessed with the sandals lately. I don't know why, but I feel like wearing a sandal is actually a part of me, you know, it's like a part of my signature to not wearing the proper leather shoes or nor the sneakers. This one is size 7, US 7. I ordered in 2 sizes because I'm not sure which one is going to fit with me, but let's try it on the one with 7. So if this one, oh, maybe I would need an 8 actually because 7 looks so small. Let's try this one first. It's the Suicoke sandal with the shirring underneath. Let's see if this would fit with my style, you know, with my twins, I guess. So let's try it. This, you can see that, you know, there is a lot of space in front of my toe, and here, like, my shoe is definitely bigger than this sandal can handle. Yes, this one is more like it is my size. It looks bigger. Let's try both of them this time. Oh wait, I just want to take a look inside the box. There is also some, you know, antimicrobial and the little note from Suicoke.